DIY enthusiasts. Are you ready to add a touch of elegance to your windows? Today, we're diving into the world of pinch-pleat curtains, a classic and sophisticated window treatment that never goes out of style. Whether you're a sewing novice or a seasoned pro, making your pinch-pleat curtains is easier than you think. So, grab your fabric and let's get started on this fun and rewarding project. 1. Gather your supplies. The first step in making pinch-pleat curtains is to gather your supplies. You'll need fabric of your choice: curtain lining fabric, a sewing machine, thread pins, a measuring tape, a pencil or fabric marker, curtain rings or hooks, and a curtain rod. 2. Measure and cut your fabric. Start by measuring your window to determine the width and length of your curtains. Add extra fabric for hems, seams, and pleats. Once you have your measurements, lay your fabric on a flat surface and cut it to size using scissors. 3. Sew the side hems. Next, fold over and press the side edges of your curtain panels to create a neat hem. Use pins to secure the hems in place, then sew along the edges using a straight stitch on your sewing machine. Repeat this process for both sides of each curtain panel. 4. Sew the bottom hem. Fold over and press the bottom edge of your curtain panels to create a hem. Use pins to secure the hem in place, then sew along the edge using a straight stitch. This will create a clean and polished finish for the bottom of your curtains. 5. Create the pinch pleats. Now it's time to create the pinch pleats. Starting from the top of your curtain panel, measure and mark the placement of each pleat using a pencil or fabric marker. Then, pinch the fabric at each marked point to create a pleat and pin it in place. Continue this process until you have created all of your pleats. 6. Sew the pleats in place. Once you have pinned all of your pleats, sew along the top edge of the curtain panel to secure them in place. Be sure to backstitch at the beginning and end of each pleat to ensure they are securely anchored. 7. Attach curtain rings or hooks. Finally, attach curtain rings or hooks to the back of the curtain panel, spacing them evenly between each pleat. Then, hang your curtains on a curtain rod and adjust the gathers as needed to achieve the desired fullness and drape. And there you have it, your very own DIY pinch-pleat curtains. With just a few simple steps, you can create custom curtains that add style and sophistication to any room in your home. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tutorials.